I use a video editing software called Cyberlink Power Director. These are all the sounds in videos. Some I didn't create, some I made. These are the video strips. Let's play this video. So, do you want to see the CGI Earth and Moon? I use a software called Blender. It's a free software. This is how I animate the 3D thing. Yeah, the 3D animation. I even made a texture map or something. This is the camera angle. Are you hearing me? This is the camera angle. If you click here, you can see that the camera angle is pointing at the Earth. This is Ivy, and this is what you think it is. Copying and pasting the character is the good reason why the stick figures are sometimes the same is because I copy them and paint them. It would be really tough to do it, and also I forgot about the eyes. Oh yes, you're right. Look how shiny they are. Shiny eyes. And look how shiny it is. Oops, sorry. Okay, they're ready. And that's how you made the character. I mean, that's how I made the character.